Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ECYT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the most powerful going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $5.70 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5.70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this little miniature consolidation point down here at about $5.15. So right up there, 570 and then 515, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as that line moves higher and higher, like I said, the easy way to gauge the strength of the move, this right here being defined as the move, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full control, the price movement's at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 570 would be a huge sign of power, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the overall chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion right now, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority by far is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, then everything else will take care of itself. And part of that is levels of resistance will be broken. So just focus on building away at those higher lows and then sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.